just posted that Starbucks Frappuccino thing, and since I have all these ingredients, I'm just gonna give it a go and see if it's actually good. Since there weren't any instructions, I added that entire cup of coffee, probably equal parts oat milk. I think it's oat milk, coconut milk, or something like that, but a milk alternative. And then I added 3 dates, and then I'm going to add probably a tablespoon of cacao. Cocoa is probably better because cacao is like the cocoa bean in its purest form, so it's a little bit more bitter, but it's, again, pure, it's cleaner. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of that and blend it up, and then I'll add my frozen banana and ice. Guys, this is really good. It's legit. I'm not going to say that it tastes like a Frappuccino necessarily, even though I haven't had one in like 10 years, but it's really, really good.